Storms move fast, and every day spent working the wrong neighborhood is time and money lost. For over 16 years, HailTrace has helped you get to the right areas first with accurate meteorologist-created maps and tools built to help you win more work. Now, HailTrace 5.0 builds on that foundation, helping your team work storms faster with fewer taps and a map built for how you actually work in the field. In this video, we'll walk through what changed and how to get comfortable quickly in HailTrace 5.0. First, HailTrace 5.0 helps you work storms faster. One of the big additions is the new Toolkit. The Toolkit gives you a centralized place to quickly access the workflows and features you use most, including weather events, weather reports, assets, lead lists, and map settings. Instead of hunting through menus, the Toolkit becomes your starting point for getting work done. Next, search is now front and center in HailTrace 5.0. You can search across addresses, contacts, assets, and businesses all from one place. This allows you to search for different types of businesses impacted by a storm so you can start prospecting. For example, you can search for all the churches inside a storm to start door knocking, or use our data plan to call them. Quick action buttons have been reorganized into a cleaner, more consistent layout. Actions like activating storms by a date, weather history reports, asset creation, inspector tool, lead lists, GPS location, and map settings are now easier to access directly from the map page. This reduces menu navigation and helps keep workflows moving. Navigation has also been redesigned to make moving between workflows faster and more consistent. Key features like searching for storms, filtering assets, and creating campaigns now live in one persistent navigation area. The Statute of Limitation Date Picker is the biggest update under this category of work storms faster. This feature helps you find storms nearing the statute of limitations so you can reach out to property owners whose benefits are about to expire. To use this feature, select the Map filter, turn on the Radius and Date Range filter, and then select a time frame. Select one of the preset statute of limitation date ranges, such as 60 days out from a 1-year statute, and then tap Apply. Tap Confirm to set your filters. Swipe down to close the Weather Event Navigation panel. Next, move the radius to an area you want to find storms, and then tap the navigation panel again. There you have it. Start activating any number of weather events nearing the statute of limitations and start reaching out to property owners. Next, the app has been redesigned to have less taps. For example, the active events and favorite events has been moved to the weather events panel. If you turn on the active events filter, you can see all the active maps inside the app within the 21-mile radius I created. And you can remove your radius or date range filters by tapping the X next to the filter. You can also tap the Clear All Active Maps button to remove all the storms you have turned on. The weather event radius search has also been improved. Previously, the radius always moved with the screen, which constantly reset your storm search. Now, you can tap on a location to lock the radius in place while searching for storms. Additionally, when you are zoomed out on the map and tap on a location, you will see a new address card. This allows you to stay where you are on the map or choose to jump to that address. One of the biggest workflow changes in this section is the new Create Asset flow. Instead of a multi-step process, you can now create assets in seconds. First, tap the Create Asset button. Tap on a location to drop the pin. Next, if you have the HailTrace product, select a status and assign a user. Tap Create, and you are done. If needed, you can add additional asset, contact, or opportunity details under Edit Details. And if you are used to long pressing on an address to create an asset, you still have that ability. HailTrace 5.0 is built for the field. First, maps have been improved for better readability in the field. City names now remain visible on top of the map. colors have been improved for clarity, and updated pin designs make storm data easier to understand at a glance. Next, map settings are now centralized into one place with additional features for the field. Under Layer Settings, you can customize or turn off different maps. Under Map Settings, you can utilize several new features. First, you can switch between light and dark base maps for better visibility in the sun. Next, you can choose left or right hand quick action button layouts for a more comfortable field experience. You can also lock the map rotation to stay oriented while moving through the field. Finally, you can enable colorblind-friendly colors for improved map clarity and readability. The last update to HailTrace 5.0 is Early Access. With Early Access, you can now choose whether to enable or disable 5.0 directly in your settings. To manage Early Access, select the More page, tap Settings, and tap Early Access. Here, you can enable or disable early access. Work storms faster, with fewer taps, built for the field. Welcome to HailTrace 5.0.